Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through 3 super useful Telegram bots. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your device and log into your account. After you log in, simply go to the search address or search bar option available in the top. In the search bar, search for VK Music Bot and tap on the VK Music Bot and start a chat by tapping on the start option available there, and here you can search for music by typing the name of the song or artist or album in the chat. You can find the desired music, click on it to play or download. The bot will provide options to listen to the song, download it or share it with others. Keep in mind that availability of music on this bot may vary based on copyright restrictions and other factors. Always ensure that you are using them in compliance with the applicable laws and regulations. So the another bot is TT Saver. So it is basically a TikTok save bot. This bot allows you to download TikTok videos without a watermark directly to your device. You can find it on Telegram by searching for TikTok Save Bot or TT Saver. Simply send the TikTok video link to the bot and it will provide you with a download link. So now let's move to the another or simply the last bot of the Telegram. So simply, last but not the least, search for the YouTube downloader bot in the search address bar and tap on the YouTube downloader bot. So after you tap on it, all you have to do is start a chat with it and you can simply download the YouTube video from this bot very easily. All you have to do is copy link and paste it to it and it will provide you with the download link, and it will be very easy to download. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.